This is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions, Department of Civil Engineering. Continuous class from previous classes. We are already discussed last class. What is soil erosion? How the soil are formed? What is soil permeability? Soil consists of a more permeability in loose soils. So water will be transferred from top to bottom. And what are the four ways soil erosion by water? That is rill erosion, gully erosion, and what is soil? Soil degradation. So soil quality caused by its improper use, unusually for agriculture, industrial and urban purposes, and due to loss of nutrients, decreasing the soil fertility, decrease the crop yield, and also soil consists of a salt. Process of increasing the salt content is known as salinization. Is known as salinization. And acid sulfate soil, release of the sulfuric acid from the soil can in turn release iron, aluminum and other heavy metals within the soil. Now next topic, soil pollution. How soil are polluted. How soil are polluted. Soil pollution as a part of land degradation. Soil pollution is a part of land degradation caused by the presence of human-made chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. It is generally caused by industrial activity. Soil are polluted when industries directly wastewater will be directly pumped outside to the streams, and agriculture chemicals and improper disposal of waste. A household purpose or agriculture, you can use nutrients, chemicals for a proper growth of crops. During rainy season, water will be, some of the water will be absorbed, remaining water will be eroded. So due to that water also chemicals and nutrients will be flooded. And industrial also we can use some of the chemicals and nutrients, so that will be directly pumped into the streams. So that's why in the industrial water, industrial waste water, we will be some of the pollutants will be reduced, and then that will be transferred to the streams. And water lodging, excessive irrigation on poorly drained soil is waterlogging. For example, there may be an impermeable clay layer below the soil. Below the soil. So the raised water level table results in the soils becoming water logging. This occurs in poorly drained soils, whereas water cannot permeate deeply. This waterlogging mainly occur in poorly drained soil where water cannot penetrate deeply. And suppose improper clay layer below the soil, the raised water table results in the soil become water logging. And compaction, sealing, crusting. The compaction means soil consists of a more permeability. So when water is poured through, water can permeate through the soil particle. Why? Because of loose soil consists of a more permeability. We can reduce the permeability, means we can compact the soil by using hammers, by layer compaction. Due to that, we can expulsion of air voids from the soil. So reduce the permeability, automatically they prevent the permeates the water. So soil compaction decreases in space between soil particles due to external or internal applied loads. Due to sudden applied loads or applying loads on the top of the soil, so it reduces the volume of the soil, reduce the permeability. And soil sealing is the Soil sealing is the covering of the ground by an impassable material is one of the main cause of soil degradation. And crusting is a thin layer of dense and tough material. Soil crushing is considerably more compacted and packed than the underlying material. So it is a more compacted and packed than underlying materials. And mining and urbanization. What is mining? What is urbanization? So mining means surface mining requires the removal of topsoil to get at the valuable rocks below, which cause soil degradation. So we can remove of top of the soil so we can get the valuable rocks below. Increase urbanization due to population growth. Reduces the agricultural land. Reduces the agricultural land. Increasing the urbanization due to population growth reduces the agricultural land. Therefore, urbanization leads to deforestation, which in turn affects millions of plant and animal species. Thus, urbanization leads to deforestation, affects the millions of plants and animal species. And biological degradation. What is biological degradation? The biological degradation means affect soil, microflora and fauna, also reduce the biological or microbial activity of soil adversely. Reduce the yield. Due to biological degradation, reduce the yield effect of soil, microflora and fauna. Application of some pesticide chemicals which inhibit nutrification. Disposal of oil shales, heavy metal, contamination of soil and spillage of crude oil adversely affect soil microflora. And impact of soil degradation. Effect of soil degradation in food production system. Soil degradation means it affects soil degradation in food production system combines with the land management techniques, use of fertilizers, irrigation and machinery uses. Degradation makes soil irresponsive to inputs, reduce alternative use of land. Degradation makes soil irresponsive to inputs, reduce alternative use of land, failure of irrigation scheme, and reduce water use efficiency. So this micro soil degradation means improper failure of irrigation scheme and reduce water use efficiency, and also alternative use of land and food. So soil degradation in food production system combines with the land management techniques, use of fertilizers, irrigation and machinery uses. So this is the impact of soil irrigation. So biology of soil degradation. And mining and urbanization. So mining means increasing the urbanization due to pollution growth reduces the agricultural land. So these are the basic definitions of this unit. Compaction sealing means decreases in space between the soil particles, and externally and internally we can apply the loads. And waterlogging, already we can discuss. Soil pollution due to industrial waste, agriculture, chemicals and improper disposal of waste. And these are the pollutants. So next class we can discuss gully control. Continued in the next class. Thank you.